Okay, we've got it shaped down pretty good. So it's going to fit inside the body where I want it. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our Dremel sanding disc and we're going to sand this down a little smoother. Then we'll use our palm sander and go over the whole thing once over. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put it in my comments section. I'll get back with you.
Because he says he can watch them instead of porn when we're not together, which is
You can see how that sands it down a lot smoother. So we're going to go around the whole thing, sand it down, and then we'll take our palm sander and we'll give the whole thing a sanding over. Thanks for watching.